Here I was finishing up installing the control board on this LG dishwasher.
So right now it's raining a little bit. Apologize if y'all hear that, but so like that dishwasher that I was just on, LG dishwasher, when I was there diagnosing, had no power, coming, no power is off. So I checked the display board and I had power coming out of the main board into the display board, but what happens is that power will run through the display board back into the control board to power it on. And so I knew that I had power coming into the main control board and I had power coming into the display, but yet the display wasn't working. So I ordered the display